I never believed in that feeling of being watched, until the night someone proved it to me. It started with small things. My front door, unlocked when I was certain I'd locked it. A chair pulled slightly back from the table. The bathroom mirror wiped clean in the middle, like someone had leaned close to it. I told myself I was tired, overworked, paranoid. Then the notes began. The first one was on my kitchen counter, a small yellow square folded neatly. "You forgot your light again." I laughed nervously. I lived alone. No one else had a key. I installed cameras the next day. For 3 nights, nothing happened. On the 4th night, the footage showed me sleeping, and someone standing in the corner of my bedroom. He didn't move, didn't touch me, just watched. The timestamp showed he stood there for 3 hours. The police said it was probably a glitch, a shadow, a technical error. I knew better. I changed the locks, slept with the lights on, stopped using headphones when I was home, stopped showering with my eyes closed. That's when he started speaking. I heard him for the first time at 2:17 a.m. My name, whispered, not loud, not urgent, like someone testing how it sounds in their mouth. I froze under the blanket, my heart pounding so hard I thought it would give me away. "Don't hide," he said gently. "I already know where you are." I didn't scream. I don't know why. Maybe because some part of me knew screaming was exactly what he wanted. The next morning, another note. "You didn't scream." I like that. I tried to leave the city. I packed a bag, booked a hotel 2 towns away. As I opened my car door, my phone buzzed. A message from an unknown number. Running makes it less intimate. That's when I understood something terrifying. He wasn't breaking into my home. He was allowing me to live in it. So I stayed. That night, the power went out. No lights, no cameras, no noise except my own breathing. I sat on the floor with a kitchen knife, my back against the wall. Then the hallway floor creaked. Slow, deliberate footsteps. He stopped right outside the living room. "I know you're awake," he said calmly. "You always hold your breath when you're scared." I felt tears sliding down my face, silent and useless. "I'm not here to hurt you," he continued. "I'm here to finish something." The door opened. He stepped into the faint moonlight filtering through the window. Average height, clean clothes, no mask. He was a man I would have passed on the street without a second look. "I've been watching you since the bus stop," he said. "You smiled at me once. Do you remember? I didn't." And that made him frown. "That hurt," he admitted. "But I fixed it." He reached into his pocket and pulled out photographs. Me grocery shopping, me sleeping, me crying on the kitchen floor just moments before. "I learned everything," he said proudly. "What scares you, when you feel safest, when you're most alone?" I begged him. "I won't repeat what I said." "It doesn't matter." He knelt in front of me, so close I could smell his breath. "This isn't about killing you," he whispered. "It's about being the last thing you think about." The neighbors heard nothing. The police found no forced entry, no fingerprints, just one final note on the mirror, written from the inside. She finally noticed me, and that's the truth about monsters. They don't hide in the dark. They wait for you to look right through them.